Welcome to GrumpyMan's Reviews. Today we're looking at the Ulanzi tabletop vlogging tripod. This would make an excellent gift. I picked this up from Amazon for just under £22. I'll leave a link in the description box below if you're interested. This is everything that was included. You get a key to tighten the cold shoe at the side there. The actual tripod itself, bit of Ulanzi brand in there. That's rubberized that. It's quite sturdy this for its size. And the legs do extend. If I just pull them out. Sit like so. You can see it says push there. You push that, go back in. Nice and simple. The actual head, Ulanzi brand in there. It's got a cold shoe there, and as I mentioned before, the key is to tighten that. You can put a microphone there or a light. And a good thing about this removes. You can mount it upside down to use it as another holder. So if you want to put a light on there or a microphone, just say you use them Zoom H1 recorders, you can mount that on here. Let me just turn it around. And it rotates 360 degrees. You can put your camera or mobile phone anywhere you want. Tighten it from there. It just fits on like so. There you go. So if I were to get my clip there, this is a Ulanzi one as well. This is for mobile phone, of course. Just screw this on. So there, as you can see, I've got my microphone and my phone on there. Fits nicely, and because it has a 360 degree rotating head, I'm able to turn it around at any angle I want. It's also good for right-handed or left-handed people because you're able to move it around. So if I were to turn it this way around, I could switch the microphone the other way around, and I could twist the phone around as well so it's facing the other way, left-handed or right-handed. It's a great little product this, honestly. I'm absolutely loving it. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to watch more. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video.